The trim function returns a text value with the spaces removed from the beginning and end of specified text. It is a useful function when provided with data that includes unwanted spaces either at the beginning or at the end of specified text. We can see here in our table, in column C, we have a series of text with unwanted spaces at the start. To remove them, we simply open up our trim function, we select the text, and we close. This will then automatically remove the spaces that was at the beginning of the value specified. You can drag this down, and then we have a text value returned without the unwanted spaces.